パン屋ゆずるに頼まれて恋の餌
持ってゆず食べたかっただけいつだけ
シミは
かなってもね
シュワシュワ
バタイおえ
to another videos. If you are new here, thank you for being here. So for today's video, finally I'm back with another product review content for you guys. Since my past videos are all daily vlogs, dapat last year ko pa to gagawa ng review. Kaya lang, tinamad na naman sa ate mo girl. Just a quick disclaimer, this is not paid sponsorship with the brand because I bought this product with my own money. So all thoughts that I will be sharing with you guys is all mine. I super duper love this makeup brand kasi bukod sa cruelty free siya, bukod sa local brand siya, super affordable ng mga products nila, lagi silang nakasale. And I have few products from them. And nung nalaman ko na maglalabas ng bagong product, yung Detail Cosmetics in collaboration with Ate Rei Germar and Ate Mae Layug, girl, yung excitement ko, grabe. Kasi ay matagal ko na rin silang pinapanood and talagang credible yung mga recommendations nila when it comes to makeup. So, I have here product from Detail Cosmetics and ito yung latest product nila which is yung Velvet Flush. This Velvet Flush is co-created and formulated by Ate Mae and Ate Rei Germar. This is what the box looks like when you purchase Velvet Flush. So this is what the outer packaging looks like. Ayan, it's super cute. It gives me that aesthetic vibe. When you look at the back, ayan naman siya guys. Very transparent ang Detail Cosmetics when it comes to their products. Bukod sa it's very sleek and very compact, it also has a mirror inside. And to be honest guys, nagagamit ko yung mirror. And lalo na kapag lalabas ako ng bahay, tapos ito lang yung dadalhin ko. Hindi ko na kailangan ng separate na mirror kasi meron na siyang kasamang mirror. Ayan. So, kapag magre-retouch ako guys, okay na okay siya kasi kitang-kita ko yung mukha ko sa mirror nitong Velvet Flush. This is what the product looks like. Yung shade pala na kinuha ko is the shade Beau. This Velvet Flush comes with 6 shades which is si Cotton, si Luna, si Beau, and si Milky, si Lucas, tsaka si Max. This product is enriched with vitamin E, shea butter, and avocado oil. This Velvet Flush contains 8 grams of product and sobrang dami niya na for me and talagang magagamit ko siya and masasulit ko talaga siya. And guys, this is for only 249 pesos. Basta ngayon kasi guys, ang kinuha ko munang shade is si Beau. And sabi ko, sa susunod, bibilhin ko naman si Lucas, Detail Cosmetics. Baka naman, swatch ko para sa inyo yung shade na Beau para magkaroon kayo ng idea kung ano ba yung shade nito or what it looks like on my skin. Sobrang smooth ng pag-glide ng finger ko doon sa mismong product. Wala siyang tugging or anything. And sobrang smooth niya guys. As in, love at first swipe talaga. Ayan, diba? Grabe yung pigment niya, guys. As in, waging-wagi siya. Ay, gumawa na rin ako ng makeup look ko gamit tong Velvet Flush. I use it on my eyelids, cheeks, and on my lips. And I'll be flashing my pictures and videos right here para makita nyo yung look ko using this Velvet Flush in the shade Beau. Unlike sa ibang multi-use product, this is not dewy finish.
Hirap kang makakita ng mga matte finish. And talagang thankful ako kay Ate Mae at kay Ate Rei na nag-come up sila ng concept sa Velvet Flush na maging matte finish.
First, I'm going to apply on my cheeks. Look at that. Oh my gosh, yung pigment. Ayan, kita nyo, it blends well with my skin. And kahit marami yung nalagay ko, it's not overwhelming. Ito guys, wag kayo ma-overwhelm kapag marami yung nalagay nyo sa cheeks nyo kasi it's blendable and kahit pigmented siya, hindi siya nagbubuo-buo sa cheeks ko. And also, kapag marami kang nailagay sa cheeks mo, blend lang, tapos tap mo ulit dito sa kabilang cheeks mo, ganun yung gawin mo. Kahit talaga marami yung malagay mo, it looks good pa rin kasi it looks natural. Ayan. Blendable talaga siya guys and hindi ka magsa-struggle dito kahit yung mga first timer sa makeup. Hindi ka mahihirapan. Ayan, kita nyo diba? Oh, this is what it looks like sa cheeks ko. Sobrang ganda diba? And sobrang natural niya lang kapag nailagay na siya sa cheeks ko. And ilalagay naman ako sa eyelids ko. I usually use this also as my shadow. Guys, it's very important to prep your lips muna bago you apply the velvet flush on your lips. Baka hindi tumagal yung pigment ng velvet flush sa lips nyo. And also, para hindi mag-dry yung velvet flush sa lips nyo. So, mahalagang mag-exfoliate, maglagay ng lip balm para mas maganda yung lapat sa lips nyo.
I'm really glad na yung bow talaga yung kinuha kong shade kasi I can use it for everyday.
Actually guys, itong velvet flush in the shade bow, para siyang my lips but better lang. So when I use this on my eyelids, cheeks, and my lips, sobrang lightweight lang niya. It feels like I'm not wearing any makeup at all. Kahit matte finish siya, hindi siya drying.
Hindi siya sumisiksik doon sa mga dry patches ng lips ko.
So guys, this is my final look for today using the velvet flush from Untitled Cosmetics. So now we will jump on to my final verdict about this Untitled Cosmetics velvet flush. So guys, when it comes to their packaging, pwede mo siyang ilagay kahit saan, mapapouches man or sa pockets, pwede mo siyang ilagay. Kasya siya kasi slick and compact yung packaging niya. When it comes to the performance of the velvet flush, it's sobrang buttery and sobrang soft nung texture ng product. Hindi siya nagsaset kaagad sa face ko, which is really good kasi I have time pa to blend it out and hindi siya nagsaset sa mga dry patches ng area sa cheeks ko. And also guys, did you know that I'm also oily skin aside from I have dry patches on some parts of my cheeks. And minsan guys, grabe ako mag-oil up sa cheeks ko. Sa cheeks ko naman guys, tumatagal siya ng 6 hours. Sa loob ng 6 hours guys, may natitira pa rin na stain sa cheeks ko. Sa eyelids ko naman guys, tumatagal rin siya ng 6 hours. We are asking if this is transfer proof for me ha, dahil nga pawisin ako and palaging nakamask sa labas. Nagta-transfer talaga siya kahit matte finish. Sa lips naman guys, ang longevity niya sa akin is mga 7 hours, ganon. If you're wondering, this is for only 249 pesos and you'll get 8 grams of product and may kasama na siyang mirror. I highly recommend you to get this one dahil nga sobrang tipid niyang gamitin guys dahil sobrang pigmented niya. Magagamit mo siya ng matagal-tagal dahil nga marami siya and also it's multi-use. So beginner friendly siya. So I would not recommend any product na hindi beginner friendly guys, and yung price range niya nasa price range pa rin ng mga budgetarian na mga student. For 249 pesos, sobrang sulit niya na guys, and hindi ka magsisisi guys when you purchase this one kasi sobrang ganda niya. And if you are just like me na on the go palagi, then this velvet flush from Untitled Cosmetics is perfect for you dahil nga sobrang dali niya lang gamitin. I'll be putting all the links down below so you can check them out on Lazada and Shopee. Available sila doon, guys. So, palagi niyong bantayan yung Detail Cosmetics kasi palagi silang naka-sale. Ngayon pa lang, guys, wag na kayong magpatumpik-tumpik pa. Check out mo na yan dahil palaging out of stock ang Velvet Flush ng Detail Cosmetics. Don't forget to follow them on their social media accounts to be updated whenever they have new updates or kapag may mga bago silang sale. So, I guess that would be all for today's video. Don't forget to hit me up on my socials and let's be friends.
I hope you enjoy our video for today. So, I hope to see you on my next one. Bye!
Ran into you at the drugstore, you were picking up your prescription. It's funny cause I got addicted to you when we were in love, and even though you broke it